Hi, welcome to my channel. This is a quick video showing you how to replace your 2018 Honda Civic's engine air filter. The Fram air filter I'm using is cheaper than the Honda filter, but of similar quality. You'll see the part number in the description. I purchased it from Amazon. The procedure is quite simple and fast. It applies to other Honda and especially Civic years. The air filter housing is pretty much in the same place in all of them. The cover is held by either 2 or 4 clips. The 2018 model, the Civic, has 2 clips. Just press the clips out, remove the old filter, and insert a new one. It can only go in one way, so you can't go wrong. Be sure to turn off the engine before you do it. That's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video and that you'll subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. Thank you.